Hi folks, this is a Colonel with you again. Got a little unboxing here. Got this today, a day early. Come from St. Louis, Talisman. That's enough of that. Sorry I already cut it open. I didn't want to waste a lot of time cutting cardboard. But we got 2 world coins in here. Oh, wait a minute. Got the eagle. And the bighorn sheep. What do we got here? Advertisements, 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 advertisements. 2014 Wildlife in Motion $100 commemorative bighorn sheep. Pure silver. From Talisman. And then 2014 Wildlife in Motion number 3 100 bald eagle attack. Pure silver. Matte proof. We'll get a look at that. Let me get rid of some of this stuff here. Let's start with the eagle. That's a flip box, right, honey?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Kind of rattles around in there a little bit. Here's the eagle. Got a good shot of it, hon? Oh, Alice is here with me today, folks. Say hello, Alice.
Hello, Alice.
Get it? Huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Okay.
Wow,
And here
that's
on the back, of course, Her Majesty the Queen. Can't forget her. Beautiful coin. Beautiful coin. Looks like almost... Looks like a damn proof almost.
Don't cuss.
Ah, don't not cut. Darn. Looks like a darn proof.
Just say it looks like a proof.
Okay, we got the bighorn sheep. Kind of anxious to see this one.
Oops. Oh, that's nice.
Get a good shot of it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and once again, Her Majesty the Queen.
Elizabeth II.
I'm really impressed with these guys. Talisman. I ordered this stuff, I think, Tuesday. I ordered this one Tuesday, this one Wednesday, and I called them and asked them if they could put them both together in one box for me, and they did, and it come a day early, so no complaints here. 2 thumbs up, huh, Alice?
Yep. Nice.
Okay. That's about it for today. I got one more tomorrow. I got a bullion coin coming tomorrow. That ought to be a real treat. So this is the Colonel. That's about all we got for you today. Say goodbye, Alice.
Bye, Alice.